Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Mumma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another episode of Transformation Tuesday. Today's episode of Transformation Tuesday isn't exactly a transformation itself, it's more of me amalgamating together a lot of stuff that I've made in previous Transformation Tuesday episodes and sending them off to my friends. But before we get to that, remember, like this video, comment down below if you want to discuss anything that comes up in the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you can hear every time I upload. Back to the video. So, I have some really lovely, sweet friends. That is Jules, Mumma Goth, Mel, Thunderella, and Hannah, Smaugish. And they've all had different things going on in their lives. Jules has just had a birthday, Mel has just had some really bad health stuff going on, and Hannah's been a bit sad recently. So I wanted to send them all some presents, and it was basically an excuse to make things. So obviously you have seen my Transformation Tuesday videos, you've seen some of the things that I have made over the past few weeks. So I got everything together with a few other little things and bits and bobs. And I put them together in a box. Now this originally came about because Mel, Thunderella, she is starting her YouTube channel soon. There will be a link at the end of the video to her channel so you can go and subscribe. And actually there'll be a link to everybody's channel at the end so you can go and subscribe, but particularly Mel's because she is brand new to YouTube. I'm not sure if it even uploaded yet when this airs, but we'll see. And she said that because she was doing YouTube, she thought it would be a really nice idea if we made each other little mystery boxes and then opened them on camera. And I thought that would be a fantastic idea as well. So I started putting together this mystery box. And I thought then, well, actually another video is me putting together the mystery box for her. So join me as I show you what I will be putting in their mystery boxes. So the first thing I need to do is cover these sad old shoe boxes. So I bought some wrapping paper. And I got some sellotape and some scissors, and I'm just bodging it here. Cue the sped up footage. Okay, so all the boxes are now wrapped in lovely paper and I'm going to start filling them. So the first thing that I've got, everybody, is a nail varnish. So we're going to put the nail varnish in to everybody's boxes. Now, Thunderella, Mel, gets a second one. She gets a purple one too, but everybody gets a Celestial Silver nail polish. The next thing everybody gets is some Heavy Metal Mumma stickers, because, you know, gotta give everybody some of my branded stickers, you know, wouldn't be right otherwise. Brilliant. Right, next thing everybody gets is a little Kate's Clothing lint-free brush, because, yeah, I order a lot of stuff from Kate's Clothing, so I have a lot of brushes. Right, the next thing that I wanted to show you all is I got different bookmarks. So this is the one that I got for Hannah. It says Ghost Stories. Then for Jules, I got this bloody knife. And for Mel, bookcase. All of these are from VioletMoth. I will link her down in the description. We love VioletMoth. I've got quite a bit of her art. She designed the Heavy Metal Mumma logo. Check her out, she's awesome. So the next thing to go in there is the card, which was also designed by VioletMoth. So Mel and Hannah have got these coffin ones, which I love. You may have seen them in some previous videos. I have a picture of it as well that sits on our wall. But Jules, because it was her birthday, I got her this. Those in, cards are in, cards are in. The next thing to go in is the stickers. So they've all got a little cat sticker each. Oh, they're little ghosts. There's a cat ghost, a bat ghost for Mel, and a unicorn ghost for Hannah, because she had a unicorn pool float last year when she went on holiday, which was awesome. Right, everybody's also got a little pin badge each. So this is Mel's, it's like a little Hamza hand. Jules has got a little cursed one, and Hannah has got a trust me, I'm a witch one. Right, next, everybody's jewellery that I made them. So, for Mel, she has got a little skull choker. You can watch the video. I'll put a link in the top of the page and down in the description. And she has got moon earrings and a moon necklace. For Mumma Goth, for Jules, she has got pentagram earrings and a necklace and a moon choker. And she has also got the little pair of red earrings with the skulls in. And for Hannah, she has got the little batwing skull earrings and a batwing skull pendant and a moon choker. And she has got the little black and white skull earrings that I made. And because Mel was getting slightly more, she's got this beautiful choker that I got. I think it's by Gothic Attitude, which I picked up for her, so I wanted hers to be a little bit more special. So, because it was Mel's idea, I've also got this velvet vest top for Mel. It's an Assyri Evil velvet vest top. Hopefully Mel will like that. Now, everybody else has also got a bath bomb. We've got the jasmine one for Mel. I've got a, I think it's iris and mimosa one for Jules, and a lavender and lemon one for Hannah. And then the last thing that everybody, I messaged them all and asked them what colours. So Hannah and Jules have got black fascinators, and Mel, because she's got purple hair, has got a purple fascinator. So I need to get a fascinator. There we go. Right, I'm just going to put some tissue on everybody. Right, and then I'm going to put their cards in and seal them up. And there we have 3 mystery boxes for my lovely friends. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I really enjoyed putting those boxes together. It was great fun. I really enjoyed picking things for my friends, you know. It was really good fun. I can't wait to send them off. They're all ready to go now. I've just got to hit the post office. So, remember, like this video, comment down below if you want to discuss anything that goes on in the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell to find out every time I upload. And remember people, stay heavy.